Hello friends, we are here with the next video, sequences of sentences. Here the questions are very easy. Single question can give you 4 to 5 marks. So before we begin, if you are new, please subscribe and hit the notifications button. If you are already a subscriber, please like and share the video as much as possible and comment in the comment section in a respectable language for any sort of query or for motivating us. Now let's begin with the directions. Directions. Rearrange the following 6 sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the proper sequence so as to form a meaningful paragraph and then answer the questions below them. So we begin with exercise 1. ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है दोस्तों, 6 सेंटेंस हैं, एक पैराग्राफ की तरह है जिसमें 6 सेंटेंस हैं और उनका ऑर्डर ऊपर नीचे कर दिया गया है. अब हमारा क्या काम है कि हम उन 6 सेंटेंसेस को लें और उन्हें प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में अरेंज करें. ठीक है, तो हम एक्सरसाइज 1 से शुरू करते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 1 में 6 क्वेश्चंस हैं, 6 सेंटेंसेस हैं. He decided to go to the school and meet the principal. When he felt his pocket, he found it empty. The conductor was kind enough to give him a ticket free of charge. Though difficult, Chandrakant wanted his son to get admission in a convent school. He boarded the bus in a hurry. He approached the conductor and told him what had happened. अब पहले मैं तरीका बता देता हूं आपको. इसमें आप पहले क्वेश्चंस पे नहीं जाएंगे. डोंट गो टू द क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट यू सिंपली टेक द सेंटेंसेस एंड अरेंज देम. एंड हाउ टू अरेंज देम, आई विल शो यू द फॉर्मेट. दिस इज द फॉर्मेट फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. यू राइट द नेम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन हियर and in the answer those sentences which are going to be first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. And here it's going to be the question, the number given in the question, which will be in the question paper. Question, and this will be the answer. So the first sentence, the sentence which will come in the first position, we will put its number here. The second, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth and so on. We go for exercise first. So what do you think should be the first question here? First sentence here. The first sentence here should be, though difficult, Chandrakant wanted his son to get admission in convent school. Next is, he decided to go to school and meet the principal. First he wanted, so he made a decision. Next is, he boarded the bus in a hurry. He has already decided to meet the principal. Now he has boarded the bus in a hurry. When he felt his pocket, he found it empty. He approached the conductor and told him what had happened. Then the conductor was kind enough to give him a ticket free of change. Now we take these sentences. The first sentence was number 4 and we put them in the format. When we put the sentences in the format, this is the order which should have been. This is the number given in the question. So sentence number 4 should come in first place. Sentence number 1 in the question should come in second place. Sentence number 5 in third, second in fourth, sixth in fifth and third in sixth. Now let's go to the questions. Which of the following should be the 6th, that is the last sentence? Now we have seen in the format it should be the number 3. The answer for first is D. The second question, which of the following should be the first sentence? The answer for the first sentence was fourth. So the answer for second is D. Question number 3. Which of the following should be the fourth sentence? For the fourth sentence, we had made number 2. For the third, the answer is A. Question number 4. Which of the following should be the second sentence? For the second place in the answer, sentence number 1 will be appropriate. So the answer for fourth is A. Question number 5. Which of the following should be the third sentence? Now, as we have seen in the code earlier, the third sentence should be the sentence number 5. So, as you have seen, जैसा कि आपने देखा अभी कि एक पैराग्राफ आपने अरेंज किया और आपके 5 सवाल सही हो गए। 5 सवाल में अगर पर क्वेश्चन आपको 3 मार्क्स मिलते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा, पर क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क मिलता है तो भी अच्छा। But at the end of the day, 5 questions are right when you have only actually solved 1 question. We go to exercise number 2. On his way back to the airport, he was caught in a traffic jam. Now don't forget, write down a format. We write down a format. Exercise second. For that, the answer, the question, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now, the number given in the question, the sentence number in the question, we will put here. The first. So, first we look at the sentences. So, he decided to finish some urgent work and get back to the airport. By the time he reached the airport, the flight had already left. The flight was, however, delayed for about 4 hours. Jayesh went to the airport to see off his friend. Now, as I have said again and again, this all develops on your habit. जितने भी सवाल हैं ये आप हैबिट से सॉल्व करेंगे। जितनी ज़्यादा आपको प्रैक्टिस होगी, जितना ज़्यादा आपको इंग्लिश का एक्सपोजर होगा, जितनी ज़्यादा आप अंग्रेजी के संपर्क में आएंगे, उतने ज़्यादा ही आसानी सवाल होते जाएंगे। अंग्रेजी का न्यूज़पेपर, नॉवेल्स, क्वेश्चंस, whatever you can get, it will make this easier. So first we will start with the first sentence. Here will be Jayesh went to the airport to see off his friend. Second sentence will be the flight was, however, delayed about 4 hours. So he decided to finish some urgent work and get back to the airport. Now, the first sentence. On his way back to the airport, he was caught in a traffic jam. By the time he reached the airport, the flight had already left. Now we put these numbers in the format and we get. So this is the code. This question, the sentence number 5th will come in first, fourth in second place, second in third, first in fourth, and third in fifth place. Now this is your answer. Take a screenshot of it and answer the upcoming questions. Question number 6. Which sentence should come second in the paragraph? The answer is fourth. Which sentence should come last in the paragraph? The answer is third, C. Which sentence should come fourth in the paragraph? The answer is first, A. The answer is first, A. Which sentence should come first in the paragraph? The answer is fifth. Which sentence should come third in the paragraph? The answer is second, B. Now we go to exercise number 3. Exercise 3. They act as extra limbs of man. In fact, of all the creatures, he is the most restless and energetic. Cranes and lifts are substitutes for arms, trains and motors for legs, and printing machines for brain. This does not, however, mean that man is a lazy creature. Machines are great time-saving devices invented by man. Now what you have to see is which is the beginning sentence. The beginning sentence here is this one. The order will be machines are great time-saving devices invented by man. Second thing, they act as extra limbs of man. Now the third one will be cranes. Third one will be this does not, however, mean that man is a lazy creature. In fact, of all the creatures, he is the most restless, energetic. Fifth, third, first, then fourth, then second. Now we put them in the code and we get. Now please correct it. I made a mistake in second question. Second place. So first will come here. The order will be fifth sentence will come in first place. First sentence will come in second place. Third sentence in third place. Fourth in fourth place. Second in fifth place. And accordingly we will answer the questions. Which sentence should come second in the paragraph? The answer is first. The answer will be B. For 11th, the answer is B. For 12th, which sentence should come fifth in the paragraph? For 5th, the answer is second. Second sentence should come fifth in paragraph. So for 12th, the answer is D. 13th, which sentence should come fourth in the paragraph? For 4th, we have fourth. So the answer for 13th is also D. Which sentence should come first in the paragraph? The fifth sentence should come first in paragraph, so the answer for 14th is also D. Question number 15th. Which sentence should come third in the paragraph? So for third, the third sentence should come third. The answer is again D. Exercise number 4th. Still, Amol fondly recalls his village school and friends. The village school was small but clean. The SVB school is very famous in our city. Before that, he was educated in a village school. This year, Amol had joined our school. But our school is very big with a beautiful garden. The order will be the SVB school is very famous in our city. This year, Amol had joined our school. Before that, he was educated in a village school. The village school was small but clean. But our school is very big with a beautiful garden. Still, Amol fondly recalls his village school and friends. The format will be third sentence first, fifth sentence second, fourth sentence third, second sentence fourth, sixth sentence fifth, first sentence sixth. Now, we simply have to answer the questions. Which sentence should come first in the paragraph? The answer is third sentence should come first. So for 16th, the answer is A. Which sentence should come second in the paragraph? The answer is fifth sentence should come second in the paragraph. So the answer for 17th is E. Question number 18th. Which sentence should come third in the paragraph? The third sentence should be fourth sentence. The answer is C. Question number 19. Which sentence should come fourth in the paragraph? The answer is the second sentence should come fourth. So the answer for the question will be B. Question number 20. which sentence should come last in the paragraph? The answer for this is sentence number 1. So for question number 20, the answer is D. Exercise 5. Chandrakant was shocked when he realized that the leg had lost sensation. When he tried to get up, he felt his left leg was very heavy. He had to lie down hopelessly till he saw a flashlight. It was an odd night time, hence nobody heard his voice. Due to sudden sprain, Chandrakant fell down. Nervous with this realization, he called out for help. So, we will start with, due to sudden sprain, Chandrakant fell down. When he tried to get up, he felt his left leg was very heavy. Chandrakant was shocked when he realized that the leg had lost sensation. Nervous with this realization, he called out for help. It was an odd night time, hence nobody heard his voice. He had to lie down hopelessly till he saw flashlight. So the order will be in the format. The order will be: fifth sentence will come first, second will come second, first will come third, sixth will come fourth, fourth will come fifth, and third will come sixth. Now we will answer the questions. Which of the following should be the second sentence? The second sentence should be the second sentence. The answer is, for 21st, is B. Question number 22. Which of the following should be the fourth sentence? The answer for the fourth sentence should be sixth. The answer for 22nd is C. Question number 23. Which of the following should be the first sentence? The first sentence should be the fifth sentence. The answer is E. Question number 24. Which of the following should be the sixth sentence, the last sentence? The answer for 24th is D. The third sentence should be the last. Question number 25. Which of the following should be the third sentence? The third sentence will be the first one. The answer for 25th is A. So my friends, this is all for today. We will do more exercise of the same kind of this sequencing the sentence, and we will come out with the video soon enough. So if you are new, please subscribe and hit the notifications button. If you are already a subscriber, please like the video and share it as much as possible. And please like the video if you are watching it, because it helps us, it motivates us. If you have any query, put it in the comment section, and keep working hard. Best of luck.